123 Sheets makes it easy for you to file your VAT return from Google Sheets. Step 1. Download our worksheet. First, go to 123 Sheets website and download our worksheet. Next, go to your Google Drive and select your bookkeeping file. Step 2. Preparing your spreadsheet. Go to File and click on Import. Next, go to Upload, and you can either drag and drop the file, or you can select a file from your device if you have saved our worksheet elsewhere. Under the Import Location heading, select Insert New Sheets and click on Import Data. Leave the name as VAT File. To transfer the 9-box data from your spreadsheet to the VAT return sheet, highlight the VAT Box 1 cell, click on the equals sign on your keyboard, then select VAT Sales Total from your spreadsheet and press Enter. Repeat this process for all the cells in your VAT file worksheet. If any of the boxes are 0, just leave them. Once completed, go to File, Download As, and select Microsoft Excel. Step 3. File your VAT return. Log on to your 123 Sheets account and click on Home. Click on File Return. To import your spreadsheet, click on Choose and select your bookkeeping file. Now click on Upload. Make sure to tick the confirmation box and click on File VAT Return. Note, your return has been accepted. Now you're done. On the History page, you can view previously filed VAT returns, liabilities, and payments.